Welcome to in this video guys. Today I'm going to talk about the issue in GTA 5 game which I am facing now. So here I'm getting an error which is about a Steam API error. So I'm showing you that how you can fix it, and you can fix it permanently. Okay, I research about it and find some files for this game that will remove your issue, and I also show you that how you are facing this problem, why. Okay, so like here you can see I am facing this issue which is steam fail to initialize, please exit and try again. Okay, so today in this video I am gonna share with you this problem solution. Firstly, you have to go in settings and turn off your Windows security. Okay, so you can see here Windows security and virus and threat protection, and then click on manage, turn off all these features. Okay, so here I turned off. Not only this issue, you can use this for all kind of issues. There are also many issues which you will face before starting this game, so you can solve all your issues with this way. Okay, so in this video description I am providing you a zip file. Okay, zip file link, so you have to download it for first to resolve your issues. Then here you can see all these files, and you have to copy these all files and paste in the game folder. Okay, have to copy and then drop here. So some files you have to replace and replaced. So next step is you have to go again in your Windows security feature. You can see an option add or remove exclusion. Okay, exclusion, then open it, and you have to add two files here. Okay, which we pasted here. You can see steam api ext64.dll and the down one steam api 64.dll. You have to add two files on here. File your game folder, you can see here steam api ext64.dll. First add this file, and second one file steam api 64.dll. Once you add this file, so you can turn on your antivirus again, and now your Windows security will not remove the game files, and you will never face any problem regarding this steam api error. So I am also showing you here that my game is started now. It is working properly, and also you can see my game is working properly. and please like or subscribe my channel if you like this video, and may I wish that you will definitely solve your issue with this video. So thank you guys for watching this video, and you can subscribe it. And also, if you face any problem, then you can comment on this video, so I will provide you special support if you want, like if you face any problem, and totally free. Okay, thank you.